On round 7, the cables have come together and now they want to cross. The right leg of the cable will cross over the left leg of the cable. We do this with a C1, F1. I'll start by slipping the first stitch to a cable needle and holding it in front. That's what the F stands for in C1, F1, front. The first stitch on the left needle is a design element. I check to see if the color of that design element is in my working marl. I see that it is, so I'm going to knit it through the back loop with the color of that stitch. Next, I'll work the design element from my left needle. I check to see if the color of that design element is in my working marl. It isn't, so I'm going to slip it with my marl in back. All background stitches, those are stitches with 2 loops on the needle, they're all purled. I will now work a C1, F1 without a cable needle. I start by bringing my marl to the back and bringing my right needle to the back of my work. I insert it into the second stitch on my left needle and pinch my work and pull my left needle out. A stitch falls to the front of my work and I catch it with my left needle. And then I move a stitch from my right needle back to my left needle. I have 2 design elements on my left needle. I will consider them independently. I check to see if the color of the first design element is in my working marl. It is, so I'll knit it through the back loop with its current color. Then I check to see if the color of the second design element is in my working marl. It is, so I'll knit it through the back loop with its current color. As I continue working across the round, for each C1, F1, I will consider each leg of the cable independently. For some C1, F1s, both legs will be worked in their respective colors, or in some cases, only one leg will be worked and the other slipped, or you may have some where both legs are slipped.